Hi, I'm Leslie, and I'm on Royal Caribbean's Ultimate World Cruise. We are cruising the world over 9 months, and I'm documenting all of it right here on Point Your Soul North. So thank you so much for joining me for our last stop in Japan. Let's together say goodbye to this beautiful country we have loved so much. Let's go check out Osaka. A beautiful start and a sweet welcome to this beautiful city of Osaka. Another quick and easy train ride. We've got this train system in Japan down like the back of our hand. We're gonna head our way into the Osaka Castle, and this is in a beautiful park and it is gorgeous. We make a quick stop in the convenience store on our way to Osaka Castle, and this is a panoramic of all the food in the 7-Eleven. These 7-Elevens in Japan are known for having epic, incredible food. We didn't eat in the 7-Elevens, but I read all about how the food, several of the 7-Elevens had a bar with seats right at the window. You can just buy it conveniently, sit at the bar, eat your lunch. It's reasonably priced. Everything in Japan was incredibly priced. They had tons of options and really, really great food. It's so crazy when you think of a convenience store having incredible food. But here in Japan, they absolutely do. Having fallen many times to battles from 1615 to 1945, in 1999, the Osaka government started restoration to bring back this beautiful Osaka Castle to its Edo-era splendor. The museum inside is on several levels. On the way up to the observation deck at the top. The Osaka Castle is another stop that was on The Amazing Race, and if you know me, you know I love The Amazing Race. It was just fun to be here knowing that they filmed a pit stop here. So we are leaving the Osaka Castle, and that's it in the background. And I'm wondering, what did we learn, and was it worth going inside?
Yeah, we're actually at the site of the unification of Japan in about the late 1500s. Amazing.
And we saw samurai suits. We saw all the history of the building and the people. We got a cool stamp of the castle.
And the security guard was a Met fan who sang the Edwin Diaz tuba song.
Okay, so, and it was 600 yen to get in, and if you go online, you can purchase the tickets online and avoid the line. So worthy of the 600 yen?
$4.
Was Our last stop in Osaka was to see the Shitanoji Temple, but we ran to the gate when my GPS alerted that it was closing in 8 minutes. It wasn't. Whew. We were running. We were literally running because all I wanted to do was get inside the gate and hope that I could schmooze them into taking some pictures. And we get to the gate and everybody's kind of meandering around, and we realize that it was not closing. So we got to spend a significant amount of time there. This temple is one of Japan's oldest temples, founded in 593 by Prince Shotoku, who introduced Buddhism to Japan. Another temple that burned to the ground several times, but was always rebuilt to reflect the 6th century design. It's free to enter, and it is an absolute must-see. So beautiful. Okay, it's a sad moment walking back through the subway, our last subway ride in Japan. What's your final take on Japan?
Our number one stop so far on the world cruise. I thought Hong Kong, but Japan's better than Hong Kong.
We had 8 stops in Japan. 8 stops in Japan, and we loved every single one of them.
Well, one of them was useless. One was useless, the first one.
The sushi was amazing at the first one.
The rest of the stops were really, really good.
And we're leaving today from
Osaka.
Osaka's a surprise too. I thought it would be real small and quaint. It's the 2nd largest city in Japan. Absolutely loved it. We're so sad to leave. Thank you, Japan. Thank you, Japan. We have absolutely loved you. On our way back to the ship, we are not going to board until we have at least 1 drink of sake in Japan, on the streets, in a restaurant or a bar in Japan. And we saved the best for last. Literally within feet of the terminal is this incredible little bar. It had like 6 seats in it, no food, just alcohol and sake. This bottle of sake was the best sake I've ever had. I'm not a sake aficionado, but typically it's just not for me. This was so good. There were several other cruisers in this bar that managed to finish off this entire bottle. We only had a few. It was enough. It was delicious. I'm so glad we stopped for sake in Japan. Goodbye, Japan. We are so going to miss you. You have etched a spot in our hearts. We loved every single stop, every single person, every single thing we ate, every single thing we saw. We absolutely loved it. We will definitely be back. And here's some final thoughts on our stops in Japan.
It's easy to like this place.
The train system. Epic.
People are super friendly.
The people have been incredible.
Easy to get around.
The food, the sake, which we just had, crazy good.
The Japanese women are super cute.
The Japanese women are beautiful. The
weather's great.
Incredibly clean.
They love baseball and the Mets.
It has been.
It's clean.
It's clean, very clean.
We're coming back.
So we have to say goodbye to Japan. We'll be back. We want to start at the bottom, work our way through the entire country, get back on that amazing train, take the bullet train, see all the rest that Japan has to offer. But we're so grateful we got to see 7 different ports in Japan. And now we have to say goodbye. But next up is Vietnam. And if you remember, Nha Trang was on my top 5 most excited to see list. And so what do you think? Is Vietnam going to bring what I hope it brings? Be sure to subscribe so you're notified of the post on Vietnam. If you like the video today, if you've been to these places in Japan, just any comments, any feedback about the videos, I would love to see your comments below. Be sure to give me a thumbs up for the video. And as always, thank you so much for being a part of this incredible world journey with me. I love sharing it with you, and I'm just so grateful that you take the time to watch. So thank you. And until Vietnam, bye for now.